Just wanted to take a minute to show some gratitude to all my new subscribers and all my subscribers, period. I'm continuing to make these videos and dropping them every week. And actually, if you notice, if you've been following, every Wednesday I drop a snippet. And so it's just little mini lessons that you can pick up on 1 to 2 minutes, not too long like the real full videos that I drop on Mondays. But do me a favor, subscribe, like, and share this with one of your homies. Thank you so much. Remember, I got the solution to your math problem. Working with the quotient rule of derivatives. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you, appreciate you. Share it with your homies too. Let them subscribe too. What's going on? In this example, we're gonna still work with the quotient rule of derivatives. And we have another derivative. Remember, when I say f of x and g of x represents the numerator. G of x represents the denominator. Okay, so stick to the rule. So for the rule, we have, if I want to find f prime of x, that equals to g of x, which is 2x minus 3, times the derivative of the numerator, minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. Still not done. All over the denominator squared. That's long. But we're going to break it down. All right. So, keep the 2x minus 3. The derivative of 3 is 0 because it's a constant. The derivative of negative 2x is just negative 2. And the derivative of x squared is 2x. All right. And minus 3 minus 2x minus x squared. The derivative of 2x is just 2. The derivative of 3 is 0 because it's a constant. Still keep our 2x minus 3 squared in our numerator. All right, boom. All right, so now let's multiply these two binomials. Be very, very careful. We have 2x times negative 2, which is negative 4x. We have minus 4x squared, negative 2x times, okay. And then we have plus 6. And then we have plus 6x. You got to be very, very careful with these terms when you're multiplying these binomials, right? All right. And then now we're going to say minus, and let's put this in parentheses. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 4x minus 2x squared. All right. So we still need to distribute this right here, all right? So let's go. I'm sorry, I got to write a little small. This is still over 2x minus 3 squared. All right. Now, I'm going to write small, but I'm going to make sure you can see this. So when I get here, I want to say negative 4x squared. I'm sorry, negative 4x minus 4x squared plus 6 plus 6x minus 6 plus 4x and then plus 2x squared. Still over that denominator of 2x minus 3 squared. All right? Well, where you going to put the answer at? You're writing so small. Let me move out the way. You know what I'm saying? All right? Y'all take a look at that. Pause. 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, so then now we just simplify. Let's put together the like terms. Notice we have a, let's go with the negative 4x squared plus 2x squared. So that negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2x squared. Now let's look at the x's. Notice this is negative 4x. This is positive 4x. So they cancel. This is positive 6 minus 6, all right? So notice these negative 4x, the negative 4x and the positive 4x cancel. So we got the plus 6x, and then the 6 is canceled. And so now we're just done on the numerator, 2x minus 3 squared. All right, so we're left with negative 2x squared plus 6x over 2x minus 3 squared. That is the derivative of this function way up here. 3 minus 2x minus x squared over 2x minus 3. I know it's small, but let me, you know what I'm saying? Let me help you out so you can see that. Zoom in. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Please, I thank you in advance. Remember, Dana Harris, I got the solution to your math problems. Young Gurus Math Tutoring. Deuces.